What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to restore this plastic trim. Actually, the only surefire way to get this back to black is to actually spray it with new paint. But we're going to try something different today. First, I'm going to clean this up really well. I'm going to use my solution of just water and alcohol. I'm gonna wipe this down really good, use a brush, make sure it's super clean, and then I'm gonna use a heat gun and see where that takes me. So the reason for doing this is obviously, you know, cosmetics, but I also ordered some new trim for the rest of my car, like the doors and the quarter panels, but this is actually the bumper trim. It's just one piece of many that I'm going to have to do, but it's going to be the easiest to show you on this particular one. Okay, so this part of the process is now done. It still doesn't look great. See if, if you look at it from an angle, you can still see some of these stains or discoloration, but overall it looks a lot better than it did. Here's an untreated piece for the comparison. See how gray this is compared to that? So as a final step, I'm going to use this trim restorer. I mean, this kind of works all on its own, but it's not going to, you know, this thing by itself isn't going to make it past, I want to say, like maybe 1 or 2 rainfalls. So this is just an added protection that I'm going to keep applying to this in hopes of protecting it. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and post an update after this winter season, and you know, we'll see how this holds up. But for now, thanks for watching, and just keep liking my videos as you have been, and hopefully I'll have some more content for you soon.